Hazrat Mutamir, with reference to his father, has reported from Abu Uthman that he was told Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha was along with him. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam continued talking, and then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha, "Who is he?" or said any other word of the same effect, and she replied, "He is Ziyah Kalabi." When he got up, she says, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I thought him to be only Diyah until I heard the Prophet's sermon in which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was informing about Hazrat Gabriel's arrival or whatever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said." Mu'tamir states that his father says that he inquired Abu Usman from whom he had heard this hadith. He whereupon said, "From Hazrat Usama bin Zaid." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4980.